Kunal, coming to you first. Last couple of days has not really been very exciting, at least as far as the benchmark is concerned. Where are you finding values still, and what are your calls today for our viewers?
Morning, Varun. Yes, and I believe that this is this could be I would believe a normal course of the market, which you could probably see over the next few days, because it's quite natural that the indices go through somewhat of consolidation. But if there's no excitement on the index on one hand, there is a lot of excitement on the stock specific front, and I think this time around as well, like what we've been accustomed to since last 8-9 months of this strong price recovery, is that every new market trend, whether it's consolidation or a rally, leads to an emergence of a new sector, which leads to the upside. Now, in the last couple of days, we've seen many of the PSU names, PSU stocks, and the PSU banking names making a very strong and roaring comeback. So I'm highlighting two stocks in that space as a strong potential of buy candidates. First one, which I'm suggesting, is a Ban Hindustan Petroleum. That stock, has charged up extremely strong. In fact, today morning as well, I had given a call on HPCL on the show, on the morning show as well, expecting the stock to move up to almost 250 to 55 levels. So the stock has already moved up more than 4.5-5%. But the way in which the stock has broken past about the resistance, I think is just quite noteworthy. So I'm raising my targets higher from those levels of 255 and revising it higher to almost 275 from current levels. So expecting another approximately 10% upside on HPCL. Stop loss could be tailed higher to 235 for someone who's looking to enter at current levels. The second stock is again from the PSU name, PSU banking stock, and that's the one Canara Bank. We've seen a very strong pickup in many PSU banking names, especially the non-FNO ones like Union Bank, Bank of India, etc. But even Canara Bank and other names on the FNO side as well are looking quite strong. In fact, Canara Bank was consolidating around this 165 to 170 zone for quite some time. So I believe that this consolidation seems to be getting over, and the stock could be in line of breaking back above its major swing highs as well pretty soon. So a buy on Canara Bank with a expected target of approximately 180 182 range, and stop loss could be kept at 165.
Okay, so those PSU banks are definitely still in flavor. Shaina, hi, good morning. Great to have you with us. What's on your radar today? Any calls for our viewers?
So basically, I have two picks for today. These are longer term bets. These are in the building material space. First one is ACC and second one is Pidilite. Actually, I've picked up these two because we have seen a good growth in terms of sequential growth, in terms of volumes for both of them, and also you've seen good infrastructure spend that is expected. Rural demand is picking up. I think both of these will benefit from that. The whole building material space is looking quite healthy going forward. The first one, ACC, I've picked it up because if you see the last quarter numbers, they were slightly below market expectations. That is because the EBITDA took a hit. There were one-time hits, and EBITDA margin also was hit. But recently, ACC has taken a price increase. I think going forward, this will support the EBITDA margins as well as profitability. Also, in terms of capacity, they are adding capacity, which will give them a better hold on the eastern side. All in all, I think in terms of valuation, also it is very attractive. It is one of the most attractive with EV by EBITDA of just about 10 times. The second one is Pidilite. Pidilite, there the company is launching 2 to 3 new products every quarter. So I think that will support a good growth going forward. Even the acquisitions that they made, that should support a good growth going forward. In terms of valuation, it is very expensive. But with the promoters holding almost 70%, more than 70% equity stake, I think this is one stock that will continue to enjoy premium valuations.